Hi, I'm Rob from Sports Extra Skill School, and I'm going to show you how to shield the football, which is a really important skill if you're trying to hold the ball up and keep it away from the opposing team. So first thing with shielding, it's really important to have a nice wide base with your knees bent. Okay, that means it's really hard to knock you off the ball. Secondly, what you're trying to do is keep your body between the ball and the defender. Okay, but of course the defender's going to move, so if the defender moves in front of me, I need to be able to maneuver so my body stays between the ball and the defender. Now, the part of the foot that we usually use in shielding is the bottom bit here. Okay, so the bottom part of our foot, okay, and I can maneuver that way or that way. I can keep my hand out, okay, so I can't swing my hand because that'd be a foul in football, but I can keep my arm out there as long as I'm not moving it, and that's going to give me more balance and also a further obstacle for the opposing player. So that's shielding the ball. Hope you enjoyed the session. Now go and practice that at home. You can do it in your living room as you see here, and please like and subscribe to Sports Extra Skill Schools. Take care. Bye-bye.